In this captivating video, we unveil the expert methods employed by millionaires to protect and amplify their wealth, focusing on the powerful tools of trusts, offshore accounts, real estate, and art. Join us as we explore the intricate strategies utilized by the financial elite to secure their fortunes. We begin by unraveling the secrets of trusts. Discover how millionaires leverage trusts as a versatile and confidential wealth management tool. Dive into the world of nominee trusts, understanding how they offer privacy, asset protection, and seamless succession planning. Learn how these legal structures shield wealth from potential risks and provide a robust framework for wealth preservation. Trusts serve as a cornerstone of wealth protection for millionaires. Nominee trusts, in particular, offer confidentiality and asset protection by allowing assets to be held in the name of a trustee. We explore the benefits of this structure, including shielding wealth from potential risks and streamlining the transfer of assets across generations. By utilizing trusts, millionaires establish a robust framework for wealth preservation, ensuring their legacies are safeguarded. Here are some key elements and features of trusts. Trusts involve three primary parties: grantor/settler, the person who creates the trust and transfers assets into it; the individual or institution responsible for managing and administering the trust assets in accordance with the trust terms; the individuals or entities designated to receive benefits from the trust. They can include the grantor, their family members, charities, or any other designated beneficiaries. There are numerous types of trusts, each serving different purposes. Some common ones include revocable living trust, irrevocable trust, testamentary trust, charitable trust. Asset protection. Trusts can offer protection for trust assets from potential risks such as lawsuits, creditors, and financial instability. They can shield assets from personal liabilities and provide a layer of separation between the grantor's personal wealth and potential claims. Privacy and continuity. Trusts provide a level of privacy as the details of trust assets and distributions are typically kept confidential. Additionally, trusts can ensure the continuity of asset management and distribution, even in the event of the grantor's incapacity or death. Trusts are commonly used for estate planning purposes. They can help minimize estate taxes, provide for the smooth transfer of assets to beneficiaries, and establish specific instructions for the distribution of wealth. Next, we venture into the realm of offshore accounts. Delve into the strategies employed by millionaires to optimize their financial affairs in jurisdictions with favorable tax regulations. Explore the benefits of offshore banking, such as enhanced privacy, asset protection, and potential tax advantages. Uncover the crucial considerations when establishing and managing offshore accounts to safeguard wealth and maintain compliance with relevant regulations. Offshore accounts play a pivotal role in the financial strategies of millionaires. We shed light on the advantages of offshore banking, such as enhanced privacy and potential tax benefits. We delve into the selection of offshore jurisdictions known for favorable tax regulations, and we explore the key considerations in establishing and managing offshore accounts. We address the importance of maintaining compliance with relevant regulations while utilizing offshore accounts as a tool for asset protection and tax optimization. An offshore account refers to a bank account or financial account held outside one's home country. It is typically established in a jurisdiction that offers favorable financial regulations, tax advantages, and privacy protection. Offshore accounts are commonly used by individuals, including high-net-worth individuals and businesses, for various reasons such as asset protection, tax optimization, and international financial transactions. Here are some key aspects of offshore accounts. Jurisdiction selection. Offshore accounts are opened in countries or territories that have specific laws and regulations favorable to foreign depositors. These jurisdictions may offer tax benefits, financial stability, confidentiality, and asset protection. Some popular offshore financial centers include Switzerland, the Cayman Islands, Singapore, and the Isle of Man. Tax optimization. One of the primary motivations for opening an offshore account is to optimize taxation. Some offshore jurisdictions have lower tax rates, tax exemptions, or tax treaties with other countries, allowing individuals and businesses to legally minimize their tax liabilities. However, it's crucial to comply with tax laws in both the home country and the offshore jurisdiction to ensure proper reporting and avoid illegal tax evasion. Privacy and confidentiality. Offshore accounts often provide a higher level of privacy, and confidentiality compared to domestic accounts. Some offshore jurisdictions have strict laws protecting the identities and financial information of account holders. This can offer individuals and businesses an added layer of privacy and protection from potential legal or financial risks. Offshore accounts can be used as a tool for asset protection. By holding assets in a jurisdiction with strong asset protection laws, individuals can shield their wealth from potential lawsuits, creditors, or political or economic instability in their home country. International transactions. Offshore accounts facilitate international financial transactions. They allow individuals and businesses to hold funds in different currencies, conduct cross-border transactions, and manage finances in multiple jurisdictions. Real estate holds a prominent position in the portfolios of millionaires, and we explore its immense potential. Discover the strategic approach to real estate investments, including residential and commercial properties, as a means of diversifying wealth and generating passive income streams. Gain insights into the methods used to identify lucrative opportunities, negotiate deals, and navigate the complexities of property ownership. Real estate is a fundamental component of millionaire wealth portfolios. We delve into the strategies employed by millionaires to maximize the potential of real estate investments. From residential properties to commercial ventures, we discuss the benefits of diversifying wealth through real estate assets. We explore how millionaires identify lucrative opportunities, negotiate deals, and manage their property portfolios. Additionally, we provide insights into generating passive income streams and leveraging real estate as a long-term store of value. Real estate refers to land, including any physical structures or improvements on that land, such as buildings, houses, apartments, commercial properties, and undeveloped land. It encompasses both residential and commercial properties. Real estate is a tangible asset class that holds value and can generate income through rental payments or capital appreciation. Here are some key aspects of real estate: residential real estate, commercial real estate, investment potential, diversification and wealth preservation, financing options, property management. Art, an asset class revered by millionaires, also takes the spotlight. We delve into the world of art investments, exploring how wealthy individuals strategically allocate their resources in this unique market. Learn about the factors that drive art value, the importance of research and expertise, and the role of art as a store of wealth. Uncover the secrets of acquiring, managing, and leveraging art collections to enhance overall portfolio performance. Art is not only an expression of creativity, but also a valuable asset class embraced by millionaires. We unravel the world of art investments, exploring the factors that drive art value and the methodologies employed by the wealthy to invest strategically. We discuss the significance of thorough research, expert guidance, and market trends in art acquisition. Furthermore, we delve into the methods used by millionaires to manage and preserve their art collections, highlighting the potential for art to appreciate in value over time and serve as a tangible store of wealth. Art refers to the creation and expression of human imagination, skill, and creativity in various forms such as paintings, sculptures, drawings, photography, installations, performances, and more. Art serves as a means of communication, cultural expression, aesthetic appreciation, and personal reflection. Here are some key aspects of art. Forms of art: aesthetic and emotional value, art market and investment, art as cultural heritage, art curation and appreciation. In conclusion, the top 5 methods used by millionaires to protect and grow their wealth, namely trusts, offshore accounts, real estate, and art, offer powerful tools for financial success. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can pave the way to safeguarding your wealth, optimizing your tax position, and diversifying your assets. Whether you're just starting out or already on the path to financial success, these top 5 methods offer valuable insights and opportunities to take your wealth management to new heights. Empower yourself with knowledge, make informed decisions, and strive for long-term financial prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey toward mastering millionaire wealth protection and growth. Remember, the power to shape your financial future lies in your hands. Now, go forth and unlock the possibilities that await you.